Alright guys, I want to do a demonstration and to show you how effective this stuff is. We have some plastic here and whatever, very delicate stuff. So I'm going to cover it. And we're just going to do a quick pass over it with a torch. Pretty much a couple minutes, just to show how effective. Been using this, just replaced it with a new one, and very pleased with it. And I just wanted to show the effectiveness of it. There we go. Look at that. Okay, and that's direct heat. Okay, this is plastic, and it's barely warm. Barely warm. Slight little cinch, slight cinch right there, but nothing. And this is freaking torch. So yeah, thanks for watching. I just want to show that.